Well, I think the course is really beneficial because I'm a contractor, and one of the things I was thinking of doing was just buying the film, going to a job, quoting the job and figuring it out on the job, and I don't think that's possible. You need the training. It's beneficial. Without the training you would end up making a mess of the job. So the training, I think the training could even be longer, because the more practice you get, the more confident you get, and to have the confidence to go on site and to do the job in someone's home, I think you've got to have the confidence that you're going to get it right, and if you make a mistake, that you can figure it out on the job. So I think without the training, I don't think you could do that. So
even with experience in film business, right?
Yeah, I'm experienced in window film, which is just flat glass film, which is quite easy to put on compared to this. Once you know the process, you're done, you can carry on doing it. This, there's a lot more to learn. There's different scenarios that you need to learn, and Alan does a good job of showing you the pitfalls that you're going to come up against and how to figure it out on the job. Without that, I don't think you could just turn up with a roll of film and figure it out. I don't think you could.
Okay.
So,
thank you very much, Paul.
Okay, thank you for letting me do the course. Thank you.
Thanks.